Hello students, welcome to Maths lecture. Today we are going to start with our new lesson number 9, HCF and LCM. So first of all, what is meant by HCF and what is meant by LCM? So HCF means highest common factor and LCM means lowest common multiple. So in this lesson, first we are going to study about HCF, that is highest common factor, and then we will be learning about LCM, that is lowest common multiple. So before starting highest common factor, first we will revise few things. In last year, that is in standard 5th, you had a chapter named as multiples and factors. So in that lesson, we have learned that how to write factors and how to write multiples of the number. So we will first just revise that. Okay, what are factors and what are multiples. Then we will learn that how to write common factor. So now for example, let's take one example. 36 divided by 4, where 36 is a dividend and 4 is a divisor. So this 36 is to be divided by number 4. Okay. So 4 6 is 36. So we got 6 as a quotient and we got remainder as 0. So here, on dividing 36 by 4, we got the remainder as 0. Means there is nothing in the remainder place. Okay, we got the remainder 0. It means that the given number 36 is completely divisible by 4. Okay, it means when we get remainder as 0, then we can say that 4 is a factor of 36 and similarly 36 is multiple of 4. Okay, so 4 is factor of 36 and 36 is multiple of 4. Okay, now take another example. For example, 65 divided by 9. So we know that in the table of 9 there is no 65. So the number less than 65 is 9 7s are 63. 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 6 0. So we got 2 as a remainder. Okay, it means that number 65 is not completely divisible by number 9. Okay, so we can say that number 9 is not a factor of 65. And similarly 65 is also not a multiple of number 9. Okay, so here this is divisibility. Okay, now we will just revise that how to write factors. Now suppose take the two numbers. Let us take number 12. Okay, and number 18. So these are the two numbers. We have to write the factors of both the numbers. So factors means what? We have to write the number, that number in which this number comes. Okay, so we know that 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Similarly, 4 3s are 12. Then 6 2s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. So these are the factors of number 12. In all these tables, number 12 comes. It means 12 is a multiple of all these numbers. 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12. In the table of 5, 12 does not come. then 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, and 12 1s are 12. Okay, so these are the factors of 12. Similarly, now let us write the factors of 18. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18. No, 18 is not a multiple of 4, so 5, no. Then 6 3s are 18, then not in the table of 7 and 8. Then 9 2s are 18, and 18 1s are 18. So these are the factors of 18. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18, and 18 1s are 18. Okay, so these are the factors of 12 and 18. Now we have to write the common factor. How to write a common factor? Common factor means we have to check, we have to see that which number is same or common in both, in the factors of both the numbers. So common factors of 12 and 18 is equal to, see, 1 is common in both, 2 is common, 3 is common, similarly 6 is common. So the common factors of 12 and 18 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So these are the common factors of 12 and 18. So in this way we have to write the common factors. We have to just check that which number or which factor is common in both the numbers. Okay, so in this way we have to write the factors. Now let us move to practice set 23. Write all the factors of the given numbers and list their common factors. So we have to first write down the factors of the given numbers, given two numbers, and similarly we have to write the common factors. Okay, so first, factors of 12. 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, and 12 1s are 12. So 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Similarly, factors of 16. 1 16s are 16, 2 8s are 16, then no, 3 is not the factor of 16. Similarly, 4 4s are 16, 5 6 7 are also not the factors of 16. Then 8 2s are 16, and 16 1s are 16. So 1 2 4 8 16 are the factors of 16. Now we have to find the common factors of both 12 and 16. So common factors of 12 and 16, that is 1 is common, 2 is common, and 4 is common. 1 2 and 4 are the common factors of number 12 and 16. Okay, now next, 21 and 24. So first we will write the factors of 21, then we will write the factors of 24. So factors of 21, 1 21s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 7 3s are 21, and 21 1s are 21. So only in the table of 1 3 7 and 21 only number 21 comes. Okay, so it is a multiple of, no, number 21 is a multiple of 1 3 7 and 21. Similarly, factors of 24. 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24, then 4 6 are again 6 4s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24 and 24 1s are 24. So 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24 are factors of 24. Now we will write the common factors. Common factors of 21 and 24. So 1 is common in both, 3 is common. Okay, so only 1 and 3 are the common numbers which are the factors of both 21 and 24. So 1 and 3 are common factors of 21 and 24. Okay, now next 25 30. Factors of 25 and factors of 30. So first 1 25s are 25, then directly it comes in the table of 5. 5 5s are 25 and then 25 1s are 25. So 1, 5 and 25. Only these three are the factors of 25. 30. 1 30s are 30, 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, then 5 6s are 30, 6 5s are 30, 10 3s are 30, then 15 2s are 30 and 30 1s are 30. So these are the factors of 30. Now common factors is equal to 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are the only two common factors of 25 and 30. Okay, next fourth one, 24 25. Factors of 24. 1 24s are, 2 12s are, then 3 8s are, 4 6s are, 6 4s are, 8 3s are, 12 2s are, 24 1s are. Factors of 25. 1 25s are, 5 5s are and 25 1s are. So common factors are only 1. Only 1 is a common factor of both 24 and 25. Now the last one, 56 and 72. So first we will write the factors of 56. 1 56 are 56, 2 28s are 56. Okay, then 3 14s are 56. Sorry, 4 14s are 56. Then 7 8s are 56, 8 7s are 56, 14 4s are 56, 28 2s are 56 and 56 1s are 56. So 1 2 4 7 8 14 28 and 56 are factors of 56. Then factors of 72. 1 72s are, 2 36s are, then 3 24s are, 4 18s are, 6 12s are, 8 9 जा 9 8 जा 12 6 जा 18 4 जा 24 3 जा, then 36 2 जा and 72 1 जा 72. So 1 2 3 4 6 8 9 12 18 24 36 and 72 are the factors of 72. Now common factors. Common factors are 1, then 2, 4, 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors of 56 and 72. Okay, so in this way you have to first find out the factors of the two given numbers, and then we have to check which factor is common for both the tables, okay, for both the numbers, and then we have to write the common factors. Okay, so in this way we have completed practice set 23. So today we will stop here. In the next lecture we will see that how to write the common factor. Okay, we will solve the next practice set 24. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.